Alright, this is how to set and install a smoke detector. Things first, take this out of the package, take the back off. Just like so. Pop this battery out. Rip off this tape, or the plastic. Connect the wire back on. Shove it back in there. Good to go. You got your 2 anchors, 2 screws. You're gonna hook that battery up, take off the back, use the back as a template. You're gonna get your drill bit, depending on what size anchors you want, and then just your impact. So what I've done is I've done the center of the room, and about right where I want it. It's in the middle of that doorway. And I'm just gonna set the template up. Set the template up, put that in the center, and you're gonna mark a hole or dot with the pencil right there, and one on that side. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright, so I got the 2 dots set. Just drill it out. And then push anchors into it. Anchor 1. Drilled that one a little too big. Drilled the okay, that's the point of an anchor. So now we're gonna set this. I'm gonna set this up right here, and then put the screws in it. So you got that up now, and then you're just gonna find your hole, put it in there. Easy to do this. Tuck that side right there. Pop it up. You're just gonna twist it, and there you go. All done. I'm just gonna set it right between these 2 doorways.